Hi guys, I'm back. Today I want to repair a remote control buttons. If your remote control button is not working anymore, don't throw it away and let's fix it together. First of all, we have to open the remote control. For opening the remote control, you need a thin metal blade like this. Some remote control have screws and some snatches. You have to open it like this, guys. One side and another side. Okay guys, as you see inside the remote control we have a buttons like this, that on back of every button there is a thin layer of carbon that act as a conductor to make a conduct between this little connector to send the command to the TV or other devices. After a while, this thin layer of carbon removed and the button doesn't work. And today we want to make a solution for this common problem for remote control. You need a very thin layer of aluminum that you can find on a chewing gum. You have to burn the paper behind it and you have this thin layer of aluminum. You have to cut a little part like this and you can apply some glue on the behind of the button that doesn't work. You have a small, very little drop of glue like this, and then you have to put the aluminum and push it like this. As you know, the aluminum is conductor and it can act as a carbon and make a connection between this connector behind of the remote control. Okay guys, like this you can solve the problem and your remote control back to life. Subscribe if you like the video, please like, and bye for now guys.